Yes, I will. Did you watch some football with Daddy last night? Did you watch football with Daddy? You did. He's just a smile on the way. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Boy, sounds like the nails are coming in. You're going to need some clipping here there shortly. Oh, look at you, look at you.
Go
You're on
on.
a roll, come on.
Oh, you almost had it.
Come on, roll over. You say, I'm turning around, though.
Yeah, I know. He's wiggling in circles.
Now I'm turning around so I can see what's going on. Whoa! Come on. There we go. Come on. Push. Push, push, push. You can do it. You can do it. Uh-huh. Give it a big grunt. Still try the other way. Which way do I go? Which way do I go? I was going to see if she wanted me to tear up some of them papers since it's raining out there.
Put your hand under here.
Get that handy under there. Look, oh!
You don't know what to think yet? You didn't do it all by yourself, but now you get the gist of it. He's like, ooh, a basket.
Yeah.
I can reach the basket.